and like the class. So this is Teil 2. Teil 2 is just like this, and then there are 3 questions. We'll see. Teil 2 has like this part. Okay, so this is Teil 2, B1-Zertifikat Deutsch. Teil 2 has 2 parts, A and B. In each part there are 3 questions. Okay, with A part you have one example also, but B there is no example. Total 6 questions, so you can easily score 4 to 5 marks in this part, because in every exam of B1 German, like in every module, Lesen, Schreiben, Sprechen, Hören, you have to score minimum 60% marks. If you fail in any one of module, like if you fail in speaking or if you fail in reading, so you have to repeat only that module. Okay, not all, you just need to repeat that module only. So this is Lesen. It has 5 parts total. It has 5 parts. Okay, so now we are doing Teil 2. Yesterday we have done Teil 1. So this is Teil 2. It has total, then subparts A and B, 3 question here, 3 A here. Total 6 question in this Teil 2. Total 5 parts. Okay, this is Teil 2. 6 question in this, and 2 parts A and B. Both the parts have 2 different paragraphs. In the Teil 2 you have 2 different paragraphs, and you have to give answer to those questions. Each paragraph has 3 questions. So this is one such paragraph. Alright, so this is Teil 2 reading section. And then we have Teil 3. There is advertisement. In the Teil 3 there is advertisement. And then Teil 4, it is Ja, Nein, Frage. Means there is a statement and you have to find out whether these persons are in favor or against the statement. Very carefully we have to find out. And then we have Teil 5. Teil 5 has again short paragraph, and on the basis of that there are questions. And Teil 1 again has simple 1 paragraph, and there are questions, 6-7 questions. Alright, so this is the pattern of Lesen. Total 30 questions, and one has to score minimum 18 marks. Okay, so 60%. 60% of 30 is 18. So you have to score minimum 18, means you have to mark 18 answer correct. There is no negative marking, so you can mark all the answers. In case you don't know, at least guess. But if you don't know, so you can guess also. You have to score 18 marks out of 30. So that's a pattern of Lesen B1-Zertifikat Deutsch. Now we'll see the text.